3, I think, grade 3rd. So at that time I was studying in a well-renowned institute in Nushaira. So my father was a government officer before that. So there is like always on Saturday parent-teacher meetings and all those things. So my father he was on off due to some reason. So he used to sit and study with me, like make me study and like check my notebooks and all those things. So that time कुछ issues वगैरह थे, so my father went to parent-teacher meeting and asked them कि ये issues हैं. तो एक दफ़ा गए, वो फिर उसके बाद next Saturday फिर गए and the people there उन्होंने कहा कि जी हम आपके बच्चे को नहीं पढ़ा सकते and all those things, तो आप इनको यहाँ से ले जाएं. So this is my father told me कि यार that was the day कि I realized I was like felt insulted kind of, yeah, this is insult for me कि आप मेरे बच्चे को कह रहे हो कि मैं उनको नहीं पढ़ा सकती. That day my father like he decided, और उन्होंने मुझे उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि मैं अब मुशायरा को बताऊंगा कि एजुकेशन होती क्या है. So then he started our own education institute. I belong to education sector. तो उन्होंने तब वहाँ से start किया and I was the first student of my own institute. तो yeah, so I was the first student and it was started for me.
आपको पढ़ाने के लिए उन्होंने पूरा स्कूल बना दिया.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है. At that time he was government officer as well. तो उन्होंने स्कूल बनाया and gradually in 2001 we started. और उसके बाद जो है I studied with them. In the middle for 2 years I went to APS, Ahmedabad Public School and College. I studied there as well for 2 years. उसके बाद I realized that I am not set there in APS, so I asked my father that I want to come back to our own system because I believed and I still believe that our institute was better. We were getting a better education than Ahmedabad Public School. तो मैं खुद वहाँ से request करके बाबा को वापस अपने institute में आ गया. So I did my FSc from Nushaira, the Peace Group of Schools and Colleges. After that I went to Lahore School of Economics. I did my bachelor's from Lahore School of Economics in Marketing and Media. And for internship, so my father is like a very hard professional. Like he is a father at home, but on a professional ground he is like proper professional. So my bachelor's करने के बाद Lahore School of Economics I came back to system. वहाँ पे मैंने internship की. I started from a gatekeeper. Like my first job was as a gatekeeper, so I used to stand early morning in the gate and then lab attendant की काम और फिर उसके बाद जो है coordinator और exam controller and reception and bookkeeping and all those. So I did everything. Whatever the steps are included in the education sector, I've been through all the steps. वो करने के बाद जब when I was like realized कि यार अब सब कुछ हो गया है, so I needed further education. For that I went to US. I did my master's in entrepreneurship in applied technologies from University of South Florida, Mumma College of Business, and luckily or so there I was like there were some different students from different regions. So एक इंडियन स्टूडेंट थे and we were in a group and we were good friends, but उन्होंने मुझे कुछ ऐसी बात कर दी which hit me and I said कि यार अब तो पाकिस्तान की इज्जत बेइज्जती का मामला हो गया. And throughout the year I was the best scorer because of that guy, because I wanted to have the best score than him. So masters में there is no gold medal but there is a card, so I am a card winner. I was a high achiever, plus I am a member of Beta Gamma Sigma. It's the International Entrepreneurs Best Entrepreneur Society, so I am a member of that as well. And I came back to Pakistan then, though they offered like deans who were teaching us, so they offered me business with them. They asked me to be a part of a partnership there in the business online education they were starting. So initially I worked for them, but I realized they're in US earning dollars. I realized that I am like the energy and the time I would like this, my energy, the young age energy I'm giving and working here in US for them, why not going back and work for my own country and utilize this energy there. So then I requested, even my father was forcing me to stay for a year there at least. So I said that no, I have to come back to Pakistan. The year I will spend there in US, I will learn here a lot of things from father or from system. So I landed at 3 a.m. in the night in Islamabad airport. So the jet lag. So in the morning जब बाबा उठे, so he said अभी सोए नहीं. So I was like नींद नहीं आ रही थी मुझे due to jet lag. उन्होंने कहा चलते हो हरिपुर. मैंने कहा चलते हैं. There was a meeting in Haripur. I went like 3 a.m. and 12 in the morning I was in the office, and Baba announced that I'm no more a part of this system, like this campus right now. He will look after it, and तो वो 12 next अगले दिन के 12 बजे थे और आज का दिन है, तो मुझे छुट्टी नहीं हुई है, and I am working. So a year I worked. We were settled in Islamabad back then, तो इस्लामाबाद से आना जाना हरिपुर is the nearest to that thing, to that campus. तो वहाँ आना जाना था, and I mashallah I believe कि that campus is one of the best campuses right now. We have achieved a lot of things over there. बहुत अच्छा हो गया. So now उसके बाद after looking my that performance, Baba he asked me to look for Mansehra and Ahmedabad plus Nowshera, so बाकी डिस्ट्रिक्ट भी साथ साथ चल रहे हैं. तो आज इधर इसलिए आया हूँ कि I wanted to learn, क्योंकि ये तो इतने बड़े बड़े एक्सपीरियंस बैठे हैं, हमारा 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, तो सीखने में आए हैं ये कि जी कैसे और ख़ुद को इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है. बिकॉज देयर ऑलवेज स्पेस फॉर परफेक्शन. Everybody goes for perfection, and I am also going for perfection. I am here to learn more and more. Thank you.
परफेक्शन को ढूंढने के लिए आप कहाँ से कहाँ